I got it here, Fishing Kit Survival, and this one is vintage by Tuckcon. Pretty awesome. So let's open it up and see what it's all about. There's a little bit of a tape, and it seems to be it's never been opened, so it's brand new, completely sealed. Look at the tape falling apart from the edge. Hopefully it will tell me the date when it was made in. But I'm pretty sure it's very similar to the military ones. It could be even this one military. It didn't say on the listing. Okay, instruction. Looks like so far freshwater fishing kit. Nice. That's what I thought this was. A little blade knife. Pull this out and boom, you have here perfect blade knife for cutting the line and stuff like that. I'll put this back in here. Very nice lure right here with a treble hook. So this is more like for casting. So instead of a fishing line, they give us some kind of ropey type of stuff. And another one over here, pretty long. And wow, look at these fishing hooks. I know a lot of people out there appreciate those vintage fishing hooks with the real feathers. Let's look at them. That's probably perfect for like fly fishing. I don't know how easy it will be, but yeah, look at that. If you'd have to make your own fishing rod out of a regular stick, look at these little feathers. That's so cool. People do collect this kind of fishing hooks and stuff. Wow, that is awesome. So this is what you expect out of one of those vintage survival fishing kits. Another painted feather, I think. And look at that hook, that's so unique. Look at this little pieces out here. Again, it's for casting, or unless there's a stream, maybe heavy stream, that way you can set it up to where it's constantly floating and stuff. I don't know. Wow, look at that much smaller one. Whoa, you know what, I think it's both for the maybe ocean as well, because you have here really big hooks. Look at these treble hooks. Wow. Okay, there's a fishing line, very nice with lures and everything. There's a good set over here. We still use this kind, but much bigger ones. And these lures are pretty amazing too. This is one of the best fishing kits I've seen. Look at that vintage stuff with the real feathers. That's beautiful feathers right here. Wow. I bet I could catch some fish with that pretty easily. That is so cool. More hooks. Whoa, with sinkers. Much smaller hooks on this side. Wow, this is the best fishing kit I've ever seen. For even modern ones too. Modern ones, they put bunch of junk. Look at this. Safety pins. So heavy duty and nice. Wow, no way. Is this like a sewing kit or something? That is crazy. They give you a bunch of needles for some reason, and they're really thick needles, some of them. I wouldn't even know how to use this or what to use it for. And wow, this is cool. They'll teach you how to set it up, all these important nuts for the fishing loops. Wow, that is so awesome. So everything you need. Anyways, it doesn't tell me the data, but I'm pretty sure it's at least 50 years old fishing kit right here. I can't believe how much quality this survival kit has. Obviously, I'll have to replace the tape. It fits back really good. But yeah, very good fishing kit, that's for sure. I can't believe it. Fits your pocket, very small, and you have everything you need for different type of situation to catch the fish.